Have a great morning, everyone. Ayan, tumubo na yung mga strawberry, raspberry, and yun, mga blackberry. May tomato na din kami. And carrots. Ayan. Wow, nag-start na yung strawberry. Where is it, love? Show me. Oh, yeah.
This is flowers.
Yeah.
Here. All. This one is strawberry. Strawberry.
Ayun nga pala yung strawberry nila. Oh, ang dami ng bunga. Ayan, strawberry. Ayan. Namitasin ko nang walang paalam. Diyos ko, Lord. Walang pasabi. Nagulat na lang ako. Ayan. Ayan. Ang dami ng bunga ng strawberry nila. Ayan. 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 Okay, nag-harvest ng ay, na-harvest mo, Daddy? Oh, strawberry. Sabi pa kasi ni Nicole, give me that, give me yum yum yum. Oh, yung, at the end, you see the edge, I think there is one hiding over there. It's looking huge. They're all in the ground. There. Give me that, give me. Nicole, don't,
Hold.
Oh, hold. Don't bite, ha? We need to wash it first. Oh, see? Wow, strawberry baby. Wow. Oh, look at here. Wow, daming strawberry ng baby. Still green?
Yeah.
Wait. Ay.
Здравствуйте. Да?
Yeah, wait for mama. Oh.
Клубника. Давай, идем помоем.
This one still green?
Yeah.
How about this? Love, oh.
Green.
This one. Ayun.
Идем помоем.
Namitas ng isang ano si Nicole. Ang galing. Wow, very nice. Where? Which one you are trying to show me? Wow, have strawberry. Yes. Ayun oh, may mga ano na oh. Gee, no, don't take that one. No. Ay, not yet. It's still green. Kinakabahan ako sa iyo eh. Yeah, I know, have more. Oh, wow, but still green. Don't touch. Yeah, it's red. See, red. It's red. Oh, don't touch, don't pull. No. It's green. Yeah. Oh no. Ay, kinakabahan ako sa iyo. Baka green ang kukunin mo. Not yet. Naghahanap. Yeah, what? You found red? Yeah, but it's very small. Nakita. Don't pick green. Yeah, it's not yet. No, not yet.